And the Shruti, the Upanishad tells, Andaha Anando Bhavati. The blind man is no more blind. There's a beauty. It's a very nice way of putting it. The blind man is no more blind. Is it not true? In deep sleep, the blind man is no more blind. That I was blind previously, I don't know that I am blind now. Because everybody else also is blind there. And thus the blind man is no more blind. The rich man is no more rich. The poor man is no more poor. The fat man is no more fat. The lean man is no more lean. Then what is there? One experience wherein there is no duality. Advaita, this is called Advaita, where there is no second thing at all. And thus this experience is something that gives me joy, wherein I am with myself alone. I am not with anything else. I am with myself, even though I don't know. I am with myself. There is experience of myself in which there is a content of fullness. And this naturally, therefore, I love to have. And when I come back, I find that fullness is not found anywhere in myself. I begin searching for it naturally, because that is my height. I know what it is to be free from all forms of limitation. And how am I going to settle for anything less? I am not going to compromise for anything less, because I have seen my height. Every individual has seen his height. Nobody is denied of this fullness. And therefore, so this fullness is not something that is apart from myself. It is the very self, that is the very nature of myself.